is now day 14, 6 a.m. in the morning. Let's get some money. Yes, priorities. Let's get some money. Boom. 7,000. This will add a sprinkler. Okay. Gotta take up the extra. For now. Yum yum yums. Oh, I need rock quartz. Let's go get these. Slime fossil? Is that all of it? I feel like I had more. Huh, that really is all of it. Okay. Blue teleporter. I need drills more than the pumps, but we need rock quartz. Oh. Sure. I can't believe there's still a carrot just lying around in there. Queen, 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 queen. Queen, queen, queen. Oh, I'm out. Alright. Ooh, fruits are ready. Right, I still need more fruit to feed the pink slimes at the science lab. Into the cave we go. Alright. Can make some drills. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sup, guys? Yeah, it's that one. But let me just unlock this because I can. Right? Let's go. We gotta go this way, I think. Wait, no, not that way. I think it was up here. Yeah. Yeah, it is up here. I hope I brought enough. This is like almost 50. Wait, no, this is like over 50. Slime key! Yay. Man, I am so hungry. I don't think I actually ate much today, huh? You have a slime key. Which side might have... Wait. Let's open this one. We're already there. Excuse me. Okay. Then new area unlocked. Now we gotta find the map. Wait a minute. Oh. Disconnect our house. This isn't a new area. Oh man. What a shame. Since I'm already here, I might as well give that area a visit and feed the Ordo slime? Pink slime? Let's get some fruits. Alright, chicken just committed suicide. Ah, that should be enough. Gonna take more because more is not required. We're almost there, I think. Here we are. Give me a key. Key. Yes. Can't believe we got 2 keys in one day. This is great. Oh, I don't need these fruits anymore. You guys can have them. Wait. Now I need the keys. One. 2. That's all I need, really. Okay, I think that teleporter should be here. I have all 3 keys now. This is great. Need to go on that bridge. I know where that is. But we'll do that tomorrow. Now, let's quickly go home and finish our commission for the day. It's Stony Hens. I knew it. Puddles. I have so many rat ornaments. Alright. Alright. Finish that commission. Let's go and place the rooster. Okay. Now let's just collect some more food. Refill the feeders. I need okas and carrots. Look at how many of these are on the floor. I have so many. Okay. Okay, I'll put the rest in. Right, let's also get this next. Done. Now let's collect these. Oh wow, not yet. I'm surprised. I thought they were done already. Interesting. I honestly expect them to be done by the time I came back, but I'm surprised they're not. I wanna get this. Can I make it now? Oh, I can almost make the depot. But I need 2 more slime fossils. Resources. A drill. Drill for those. Pump for those. Alright. fun. It's like I'm jumping on them. Oh! Are they ready? No, not yet. Alright, let's conclude day 14. I'll see you guys on day 15. Got a lot of things to do. Bye.